Okay, well, I'm back again, and it looks like we got a crew of stuff out here, a crew of animals and birds. There's a squirrel eating some noodles and leftovers from a meal. They seem to eat most anything. They like bread, they like most anything you put out, especially breading. Italian bread they like. Now we have a lot of birds here. We have cowbirds, doves, sparrows, purple finches, and we have a suet out here. A lot of times we get woodpeckers at them. But right now we have, like I said, we have a lot of them, a lot of birds here, and I think they're feeding up for the winter. Well, they're getting started. It's somewhat early yet, but the birds and animals don't wait. Gotta give them the ability to know to prepare ahead, which is more than some of us humans do. We don't have a lot of common sense sometimes. Seems to be a rare commodity nowadays. But anyway, there's the birds and the squirrels are out there eating, having a great time. The squirrel especially, he's really digging in for some noodles I put there. They're cold noodles, like a pasta salad. But as you can see, he's having a pretty good time with them. If you come back a little closer here, we have, let's see, there's a butterfly here somewhere. There he is. A little hard to track. He's over here now. There he is. Let's come right over here. He's really bouncing around, fluttering, that's what they call it. So there you have it. The squirrel's happy. The birds are happy. There's just a couple of doves. And they're getting ready for winter. So there again, we're going to sign off for now. And looks like this little guy's going to eat a lot. He said, oh boy, I found quite a cache of food here, boy. He's going to eat it up. So they're all happy. It's a beautiful day out, a beautiful sunny day. Not too hot. Let's say around mid-August. But you can tell that we're starting to get into fall change, just barely. So, okay, folks, God bless you all. Take care.